Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I am going to teach you how you can fix if you don't have the photo mode on your TikTok. So let's get on it. But first, if you're using a device that is different than mine, don't worry because the process is the same. So the first step that you'll need to do if you don't have the photo mode option on your TikTok is go to your Play Store. So what we're going to do is to check if there's an update available for your TikTok app. So if you don't have the photo mode, it is probably because your TikTok app is outdated. So go ahead and go to your Play Store if you're using an Android, or if you're using an iOS device, tap into your App Store. Then after that, just go and search TikTok on your search bar. And then you'll see right here in mine, my TikTok is, or my TikTok it has an available update. So what you can do is to simply just tap onto the update button and then just wait for your TikTok to finish updating. And after doing so, and after updating your TikTok, you can go ahead and open again your TikTok app and then check if the photo mode is available already in your TikTok app. And that is all for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.